the violence against Hindus in Bangladesh and their anti-India rhetoric have now angered organizations in India as well. A large number of people gathered outside the Bangladesh High Commission in New Delhi on Tuesday to protest the brutal killing of a Hindu youth, Deepu Chandra Das, by a radical Islamist mob in Bangladesh Singh district. Deepu Chandra Das, a garment factory worker, was lynched in the Baluka area of Singh following allegations of blasphemy leveled by a Muslim co-worker. In response to the incident, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and the Bajrang Dal led demonstrations outside the Bangladeshi mission, condemning what they described as the growing number of atrocities against minority communities in the neighboring South Asian nation. Delhi police had made tight security arrangements around the High Commission in anticipation of the protest. Despite heavy deployment, several protesters pushed through police barriers and attempted to move closer to the diplomatic establishment. Protesters managed to breach at least 2 layers of barricades amid the tense situation. The protest against Bangladesh High Commission comes day after when violent mob tried to attack Indian High Commission in Bangladesh and issued threat to demolish the building. With the situation in Bangladesh going from bad to worse, intelligence agencies have learned that there is a deliberate attempt by the ISI. The plan is to provoke India into attacking Bangladesh so that it garners international attention, agencies have learned. Experts say that New Delhi has a lot on its plate to deal with. Where the Bangladesh situation is concerned, India has maintained that it wants good tie with its neighbors. That's all for today from Zee News English Digital.